In today's video, we will discuss about community helpers. As you all know that we are unable to do each and every work by ourselves in our daily life. For that, we need helpers. Now, who are those helpers? Simply saying, helpers are those who help us in making communities cleaner, safer, and more pleasant for us. They do many different things to help us every day. So let's move to the video now. Our first helper is teacher. When we need to learn a lesson, we take help from a teacher. In Hindi, we address teacher as Adhyapika. Here are some items which are connected with teachers. That is blackboard, book, chalk, duster, etc. Our second helper is doctor. When we fall sick, we visit a doctor. We address doctor as Chikitsak in Hindi. Here you can see I draw some items used by doctor: stethoscope, medicines, injections, band-aid, thermometer. Our next helper is policeman. If there is a theft in your neighborhood, you take services from policeman. When a policeman is on duty, he wears a proper uniform. They carry stick and gun. We address policeman as Sipahi in Hindi. Our next helper is gardener. Gardener helps us to keep our garden looks tidy and beautiful. There are so many gardening tools used by gardener. We addressed him Mali in Hindi. Our next helper is postman. When you expect a letter or parcel, you wait for a postman. We also call them delivery man. We address postman as Dakiya in Hindi. Next helper is watchman. Our houses are safe in our colony as a watchman stands on the gate. We also address him as Chaukidar. Mostly he carries torch, stick and whistle. Next helper is cobbler. Whenever our shoes are torn, we visit a cobbler. Cobbler uses different tools to mend our shoes. We address him as Mochi in Hindi. Our next helper is farmer. Farmer grows various crops for us. We address him as Kisan in Hindi. There are some other helpers also, that are sweeper, washerman, milkman, fireman. Now, sweeper helps us to keep our society clean. Washerman washes our clothes. Milkman provides us milk every day at our doorstep. Fireman keeps our building safe from fire. We must thankful to our helpers. Now let's practice them with some worksheets. First is our name them. Now this is a worksheet. Now first is he treats me when I fall ill. Now who treats you when you fall ill? You write here doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. Now she teaches us in school. Who teaches you in school? Teacher. You write down teacher here. He controls law and order. Who controls law and order? Policeman. He stitches our clothes. Write down tailor. He mends our shoes. Cobbler. Write it down, cobbler. He cuts and trims my hair. Barber. He delivers our mails, letters and parcels. Postman. Now next worksheet is match the instruments with the people who use them. Now left side I draw all the instruments and right side I write the name of helpers. We match them. Tailor uses scissor, medicine used by doctor, blackboard, chalk duster, books used by teachers, and watering can used by gardener, broom and dustpan used by sweepers. You can also add some more and do it like this. Now let's move to our next worksheet, that is unjumbled the letters to learn their names. I have used these pictures as hint. Now first is who uses comb and scissor, that is barber, B-A-R-B-E-R. Write it down over here, B-A-R-B-E-R. Next is stethoscope. Who uses stethoscope? Doctor, D-O-C-T-O-R. Write down D-O-C-T-O-R. Third is inch tape. Who uses inch tape? Tailor, T-A-I-L-O-R. Who uses plumbing tools? Plumber, P-L-U-M-B-E-R. Who drives the car? Driver, D-R-I-V-E-R. You can also add some more. I hope you guys like the video. If you really like the video and enjoy, do give a thumbs up and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon also and share this video more and more. Till then, bye bye.